Well, I'm going to show you what our farm animals at Billy Sparks' farm look like during the rain. Here are our two doe rabbits, Beauty and Mama Pearl. Notice they have a lovely green tarp over them, and they're nice and safe and warm and dry. And so is Jack Bunny. He's kind of hiding over. Hi, Jack. What you doing? Yeah, he's got his own nice green tarp. I just bought those yesterday at Home Depot just in time because it's raining all day today. And then here's our little chickens. They decided they want to be outside in the rain. Yeah, they kind of like it. Good for them. Now, here's Handsome. He's going to go in the duck coop. Look at my poor rooster in the rain. Look what he looks like. And you can really see the damage the guinea hens did to his rear end. Oh boy, they didn't leave too many feathers there. He was attacked by 6 guinea hens about 3 weeks ago now. And here we have poor Miss Poland, not looking her best. She is a sweet little girl. But look at her hair. It's all wet just like us in the rain. There's little sis. She's not all fluffed up either. No. And even my dog Polly over there, hoping a chicken will fly over the fence. She's all wet and shaken off too. But the ones who are the stars are the 2 ducklings. Yeah, loving it. And they don't even look wet, because they're not, because they have their oil on their feathers. There goes little Flash or Lightning. They both look alike. They're so fast, those little white ones. White leghorns. And bold, fast and bold, those two. But my little ducklings are as happy as 2 ducklings can be in the rain. Well, visit us again at billysparksfarm.com, where it's fun to learn to live more sustainably, and at the same time we also help to empower people with disabilities. Join us.